Nancy, and today I will be showing you how volcanoes erupt. You will need baking soda and vinegar with some red food coloring. I highly recommend the paper mache because it is strong and easy to make. This is a demonstration of how we built this volcano. Now that I showed you the demonstration of how we built the volcano, I will be showing you how my volcano is going to erupt with baking soda and vinegar. Here is the vinegar. Makes sense. And some baking soda. Let's add some more vinegar. Baking soda, vinegar, and baking soda. Now that I've showed you how volcanoes erupt, I must go. Bye, have a nice day.